Makeup for mature skin serves more than just aesthetic purposes. It's about enhancing natural beauty while also addressing the specific needs of aging skin. Here's why it's important. 1. Enhances confidence. As skin matures, it may undergo changes such as fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture. The right makeup can help conceal these imperfections, boosting confidence and self-esteem. 2. Hydration and nourishment. Mature skin tends to be drier and more delicate. Makeup formulated for mature skin often contains hydrating and nourishing ingredients that provide essential moisture and help maintain skin health. 3. Minimizes appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Properly applied makeup can help diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by filling them in and creating a smoother surface. 4. Brightens an even skin tone. Age spots, discoloration, and uneven skin tone are common concerns with mature skin. Makeup can help brighten and even out the complexion, providing a more youthful appearance. 5. Adapts to changing skin. Makeup for mature skin is designed to be lightweight and blend seamlessly into the skin, avoiding settling into fine lines and creases. It adapts to the changing texture and elasticity of aging skin, ensuring a natural and flattering finish. 6. Protection from environmental damage. Some makeup products contain SPF and antioxidants, which offer protection against harmful UV rays and environmental stresses, helping to prevent further signs of aging. 7. Customized solutions. There is a wide range of makeup products specifically formulated for mature skin, including foundations, concealers, and powders that cater to its unique needs, providing optimal coverage and comfort. In essence, makeup for mature skin is not just about covering up, it's about embracing the beauty of aging while taking care of the skin's evolving needs. It's an essential tool for enhancing natural features and promoting self-confidence at any age. Certainly, here's a step-by-step makeup routine for individuals over 40, along with product recommendations. 1. Prep your skin. Skin preparation for mature makeup involves cleanser, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This is ideal for mature skin as it gently cleanses without stripping moisture, maintaining hydration levels and promoting a smoother, more supple complexion. Moisturizer Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This is beneficial for mature skin as it provides intense hydration, plumping fine lines and wrinkles for a smoother, more youthful appearance. Primer Laura Mercier Foundation Primer Hydrating. This is excellent for mature skin as it preps the skin with a hydrating base, filling in fine lines and wrinkles for a smoother makeup application and prolonged wear. 2. Apply foundation. Foundation Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay-in-Place Foundation or IT Cosmetics Your Skin, but better CCX Cream. Use a damp beauty sponge or a foundation brush for a smooth application. 3. Conceal under eyes and blemishes. Concealer Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer. Apply under the eyes to cover dark circles and any areas of concern. 4. Set foundation and concealer. Setting powder Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Use a fluffy brush to set the foundation and concealer, focusing on the T-zone and under the eyes. 5. Define brows. Brow pencil Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Fill in sparse areas of the brows with light, feathery strokes for a natural look. 6. Apply eyeshadow. Eyeshadow palette Urban Decay Naked Reloaded Eyeshadow Palette. Use neutral shades to define the crease and add a subtle shimmer to the eyelids. 7. Line eyes. Eyeliner Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Apply a thin line along the upper lash line for definition. 8. Add mascara. Mascara L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Coat the lashes evenly for length and volume. 9. Bronze and contour. Bronzer Benefit Hoola Matte Bronzer. Apply to the hollows of the cheeks, temples, and jawline to add warmth and definition. 10. Add blush. Blush NARS Blush and Orgasm. Smile and apply blush to the apples of the cheeks for a youthful flush. 11. Highlight. Highlighter Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. Apply to the high points of the face, including the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow. 12. Apply lipstick. Lipstick Bobbi Brown Crushed Lip Color or Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. Choose a flattering shade and apply directly to the lips for a pop of color. 13. Set makeup. Setting spray, Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup. Setting spray. Mist over the face to set makeup and increase its longevity. Remember to blend well and choose products that enhance your natural beauty while addressing any specific concerns. Feel free to adjust the products and shades based on your preferences and skin tone. Makeup enhances beauty and confidence by embracing natural features with refined elegance, subtle enhancements, and a radiant glow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe more health and beauty videos.